Today we're going to continue with systems of equations, specifically using substitution that you've been practicing and graphing that can pretty much use as that we can use as our answer key, knowing that the intersection is always going to be the solution to the system that your substitution, your algebra by hand should also get. The difference between today and yesterday is we are going to bring it to the real world. So no more just naked equations. We're now going to have it in context, where your step 1 is going to be graphing the solution just like yesterday. Step 2 will be solving with the solution. And the new part today will be step 3, taking your solutions and turning it into real world advice for parents, for employers, for just people. Like, can you interpret it to give advice? So the first thing, guys, is we're going to go graph it. So we're going to go to Desmos.com, just like yesterday, so we can get our answer key. We're going to type in the first example is going to be the babysitting. Brianna and Leo are competing for babysitting jobs in their new neighborhood. Brianna charges $9 plus $2 per hour, while Leo charges $6 plus the $3 per hour. So we want to figure out, when is it cheapest for a family to hire Brianna, and when is it cheaper to hire Leo instead? So that's what we're going to be solving for this first example. So we're going to go to the Desmos graphing calculator, and we'll type in our two equations, y equals 2x plus 9. Enter y equals 3x plus 6. You notice we can't see the intersection, so I'm just going to zoom out once real quick and maybe drag it up here so I can see that intersection. We should be able to graph the solution on it. X is 3 and y is 15. We'll understand what that means a little bit later. But let's go ahead and grab a nice picture of that intersection with the solution in it. And you're going to put that right there under graph with solution as your step 1. Mine looks a little bit different on my computer than your Chromebook. I will put those screenshot directions back in there if you need it. But there is our nice step 1. Get that graph with a solution. Now, go ahead before you watch the next video and see if you can take those two equations and solve it with substitution, just like yesterday, hopefully getting x is 3 and y is 15 before we take that and turn it